life it's just, things don't really happen the way it's ought to, and sometimes it's quite heartbreaking, but they all happen for a reason. When I first met you, you promised to be loyal, to be honest, that you were ready to be with me, and you even promised to always be there for me. But as time went on, I just saw that things were not the way it's meant to be. It's quite heartbreaking how you forgot all your promises at once. After everything I passed through, the pains, the scoldings, and everything I went through just for you, starting from my mom, my parents, my siblings. At first, no one wanted to come close to you, no one accepted you, but as time went on, my mom was like, stay away from that boy, he's not what you think he is. But I guess she said the truth, because then I thought maybe she never understands my feelings, maybe she just wants me to stay away from you and does not get what love is. So, but it's fine. I believe that things happen for a reason. Karma is true, and one day everything you did will eventually come back to you. Well, I really don't regret knowing you. You taught me so many things, quite good to do, but it's fine. It's not as if I'm giving up on love, no. I'll still find someone who is much more better than you, and I'll eventually tell and show you that love, it's actually a beautiful thing.